Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Beautiful sunny day outside. I've just got back from such a good ride. It was, do you know when you just go for a ride, the temperature's perfect, absolutely no issues with your bike, hardly any cars on the roads are perfectly tarmacked. Oh, I've just had such a good one. I'm in such a good mood. Just got some fresh coffee beans through, beautifully tasting. The sun is out. I'm just in a really good mood. So, I wanted to keep you updated on what's going on. So this morning, I've put the Sportster up for sale. Why have I put her up for sale? Well, I've just finished fixing up all the small little issues that the bike had. They're all completely fixed. I've resprayed the tank so it's looking absolutely mint. Polished her up a bit, and she's so perfect now. She's all neat and tidy, the cables are tidied away, she's riding sweet as a nut, and I'm thinking, now I don't want to ruin her. I've made her so good that this bike would be so special for someone. It would be such a good bike to chop because it's a 2001 and it's a 1200cc, so it'd be perfect for a donor bike if anyone's looking for a project, but it's also perfect as just a cruiser, a really cool cruiser. And in my previous videos of me customizing this one, I was saying that I'm gonna try and make it like a fatter bike, but I've come to terms with a Sportster's just not supposed to be fat. A Sportster is supposed to be a skinny, sporty cruiser, isn't it? I put the big fat seat on, I tried to put some big wide bars on just to make it look fat, but I just wasn't getting to where I wanted to get to with it. I'm thinking, what am I doing, really? There's no point trying to make this bike a fat bike. There's no point me trying to make this a Softail or a Dyna or a Fat Boy. It's supposed to be a cool, little, sporty, cruisy, chopper-style bike, really, isn't it? So yeah, so why don't I sell it whilst it's perfect, and then try and find myself a bike that I'm actually trying to chase, a fat cruiser. It doesn't have to be Harley. I know all my Harley friends are going to be like, do not get anything other than a Harley. Harleys are my favourite bike. They always will be. They're the coolest bike you can have. The most street cred, most customizable, best sounding. Yeah, I love Harleys, but the price tag, I don't know whether I can afford a fat Harley right now. If I'm going to be completely honest and upfront, can't afford a fat Softail or a Fat Boy. I'm looking to spend no more than £5 grand. So yeah, budget's about £5 grand. I started to look what's around, and I've come across a few fat cruiser bikes from Japan. The likes of Yamaha, Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki. They all actually do them. Also, I want it to be fuel injected because I'm tired of having a carb. I know carbs are simple to work on, but personally, I think I want something that I can just push the button and go. So, fuel injection, bigger than 1000cc probably. Yeah, just a fat cruiser. I want to put big chrome apes on it. I want it to be like a, similar style to the bikes that are ridden on the Mayans, the Mayan series. You know, the spin-off to Sons of Anarchy, Mayans. They've got them big, Cholo style, kind of chrome apes, low and fat. That's kind of the look I want to go for with the next bike. So there's there's plenty of options out there. XVS 1300s I've been looking at, from Yamaha. Even the XVS 950s, they look powerful enough. They're 52 brake horsepower. They'll probably handle a motorway fine. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900s, again, they look powerful enough. They could probably do a long trip. I do feel like maybe I want to go for that higher cc though, maybe like a 1500, 1300cc. You've got the Suzuki Intruders that they do a few, and then you've got some of the Honda Shadows. Yeah, I'm on the lookout. I want to spend about £5 grand, but I do need to sell the Sportster first because, as you know, I've only got room for one bike and I've only got the money for one bike. In a dream world, I'd keep the Sportster and get a fat cruiser. But unfortunately, yeah, I only got room for one, I only got the money for one. I only got the time for one, really. So yeah, just wanted to keep you updated. Might go for a cruise on the Sportster again soon, and I will bring you along with me just to show you how nice it's riding right now. I've taken the 8-inch extensions off, put the front mudguard on, which I've just repainted. Yeah, tidied all the cables, everything is just working so perfectly. So I might make the most of that and go for a cruise. Anyway, thanks for listening. If you are in the market for a bike, 1200 Sportster, 2001, done 21,000 miles. I'm looking for about £4,000. If you want to give me £4,000, I think that's a reasonable price. It's clean, well looked after. Just got brand new spark plugs, brand new leads, a lot of brand new custom parts on it, and it's just a cool looking bike. And if you want to chop it, buy it for £4,000, spend £1,000 on a hardtail kit and the oil pan and everything like that. You can have the sickest Evo chopper 1200, and it'll cost you £5,000, and you'll get that money back all day long. And I wish I could do that. I wish I had time, space, energy to do that, but I don't. So if someone wants to do that, hit me up, drop me a message, email me, send me a DM on Instagram. I've got a few bites already, so by the time this video goes out, it might be sold, but yeah, give me a shout. Anyway, let's get on with our day. Peace. She's looking and riding the best she's ever looked. Just at my dad's lockup, I've just seen a bike that's rusting away in a corner of the lockup. Just basically the bike I'm looking for. I don't know what it is. What is this? What is it? It's a V-twin of some sort. It's perfect. What is this? Does anyone know? ST7. Hey guys, just got back from my dad's lockup. Had a nice little ride on the Sportster, which could actually be the last ride on the Sportster. I think I have agreed to sell it to a guy up in Sheffield who is planning on coming to pick it up next week. So I put the extensions back on the front forks. I've put the Sully's custom seat back on because he wanted it chopper style, which does look the best. I don't blame him. And it's, yeah, as I say, it's looking the best it's ever looked. It's riding the best it's ever rode. So it's the perfect time for it to go to a new owner who's going to enjoy it and appreciate it. So yeah, fingers crossed that all goes through. I've placed a bid on a Yamaha XVS 950. It's a 2009, beautiful like burgundy red, got a front fairing, got floorboard, it's got everything. It's really cool. It's pretty much the perfect bike, fuel injected, fat cruiser. I've been researching them. They're bigger than a Softail Heritage. They're under $5,000, 50 odd brake horsepower, so you can handle the motorway fine and just push a button and go. And that's exactly what I'm after. So that auction ends on Sunday. If I win, I'll do a video and we'll go pick it up. But that barn find I've just found at my dad's workshop. So that's an ST7 by the Chinese manufacturer Hyosung. But it's the perfect size. It's a V-twin. It's a 650 engine, I think, doing research. But the story behind it is it's actually my uncle's. He bought it from an auction. It's not registered in the UK and he couldn't get it registered. But I don't think he tried super hard to get it registered. So if any of you guys have ever bought a bike that's not registered in the UK and managed to get it registered, please reach out, because I've never done it before. I'm going to start doing some research. But that would be a perfect barn find cruiser bike for the channel. Like it could be another project. Austin can ride it, I can ride it, like the channel can ride it. It could be like a channel bike. I'll let you guys decide what we want to do with it, what colour to paint it, what build we want to go with it. But it could be such a great series, the Barn Find Cruiser. So stay tuned for that. So yeah, lots going on. Going to Download Festival tomorrow with Ellie. So that's exciting. So no bike content over the weekend, but I'll get this video out just to keep you updated on my antics. I hope everyone has a great weekend. Ride safe. I hope the weather stays good for everyone, so everyone can get out and ride. It's 28 degrees here, so excuse the wife beater vest. Anyway, please like, subscribe, you know what to do, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.